My advice to parents are there. Please don't leave your child to any woman to train your child for you, or stepmother, or sister, or friends. Please watch this video till the end. See the way this woman maltreat this little child. Watch it till the end. And this is child abuse. Hello, my people. Now, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anytime you come across this my video, I dey vex. So, who see my face gonna say I dey vex? So I just still carry another story, another thing come as I come across this video. I say no, may I do this video because a lot of people they make mistake for this life, and mistake not be wetin person will feel correct. You understand? Mistake not be wetin person will feel correct. So, and good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anytime you come across my video, this is Katarina Golden Baby. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. Anytime I drop any video, you will be notified. Okay, I beg, if you dey new to my channel, not fail to hit that red subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. Anytime when I drop any video, you go there notify. Not mind the cap when I wear. So a lot of them go say, which kind of cap I still wear? So but now wetin you carry me come, or you go express my feeling as I feel, because as I come across this video, I know they happy at all. So before I go drop a little video because I know one more na wash am for you, and I know to understand them. For those of una wey dey drop pikin, wey go drop pikin omomo for person say, I know say this that one don still mature small. Una drop am say abeg after all na school you wan go na school you wan go, make I drop her for am. My sister, if na garri you dey see dey eat, take off your pikin by yourself, because nobody go fit take off your pikin as you take off am. And most of people they'll not say yes, they don't born for the man. They'll say I won't come out, so I not feel be again. If you not feel be, carry your pikin follow body. Not let another person call they maltreat your pikin for house. Yeah, what I did to. Not let another person come they maltreat your pikin. Maltreatment where you know if you give your pikin, another person go there help you the maltreater. All those evil stepmothers. Wetin they not go do their pikin, they go want me they do person you. Wetin they not go do their own blood, they go want me they do the person you. Now wetin you take born your own, so the woman say take born you, sing and you be take see born you. I beg when I look this video when I want drop, so I go come back and drop my opinion. I don't come back again. I know say a lot of people go say, wetin concern am for say, e just concern me. E concern me. Wetin they not go do your pikin, not do am to another person. Maybe now you won't give that pikin that or the omomo to that baby, that lady, that small girl now. Now the omomo start to dey cry. Children they like that. They feel just be say they don't know you. As they don't know you finish, you know go bring another person carry am. You no go gree more another person carry at all. You no go gree. As you just give her, as you just give her the baby, if one woman did there, they tell you, Mama, no be so, no be so. That one are your mates where you want follow first. How you carry the pikin, use as stove ground, as if na bag of garri. As if na bag of garri. Mama, I beg who go fit share this video reach where they may share Mona share this video, make this video reach where that woman dey. Wetin they not go do your pikin, not do person. Wetin they not go do you when you know say that thing go hurt you, not do person. If it be say that man now just marry you because maybe the woman just leave the baby come on, stepmothers of a things. evil stepmothers. E be like say you all leave the baby, say I don't feel married again. You just leave the baby come out now. You say na I want your kill or mama for you. You carry her, just that. See the way you take excuse her. Even people they tell you, madam, leave her for where? Fear go let you do your own blood like that. Fear go let you do your own blood when you born, when you nyenye baby. I be not be as you take your own take bad, as you take bad tongue. Not be so that one say take bad tongue, take do one. Not be so. I go drop the full video. Mona see as it take do that baby, as it take nyarana. For you, I just carry her. Now say just take carry her. Deal, you just use her nagra. He use her nagra. Save the baby now. He not get mama, he not get papa. And now when be me, when I go they marry. For now don't marry finish. Now marry finish. And I say this one not good though. And I go push you go and use hot hand. Say do and make it come out for marriage. If you don't come on, another person will go they take off that baby. The way you no go want making it take off that baby. Any small thing go they irritate them. Any small thing, it go you they irritate them. Not forget, madam. Not forget say. This your pikin when you dey beat because not be say that one over beat that your pikin. Maybe you won't drive come out now. So you carry this pikin for back. Now for field drive. The pikin you open my ha. Now you just take carry that one come out for time to the skills and the knock. No. Now person see born that one. I know if you care to know whether na. I want they give children. They give person say. Go there, won't go school. If a day and I not go see food, take feed down. You know whether they go school. See that baby, make you just look the little girl. Be like who they know they even they feed where? Who they know they feed where? Before that person carry camera, video you say you know say yes. You don't say when you they beat them. You don't say now God will disgrace you. God will you disgrace you. Don't say when you they hammer around. When you they knock, it don't say now let God know the one way they do for his house. I beg, my message to that woman when be say he pikin they stay with you. My damn, if you be say you come up for marriage, go carry your little girl. May not kill her for you. May not kill her for you. If you be say na your sister, na still be. Say na your sister, na still be. I beg go carry your pikin. If na Gary you see drink, carry her. If na cocoa, I don't see person wey fra karate train 7 children. 7 children. If fra karate train 7 children. You know what they call her? Mama Akara. If we want buy something, say maybe we see children for outside. That we say, oh, you don't know that woman where they say for Joshua, where they say Akara. Now so we take the describer. 7 children. You Akara take train 7 children. What be the suffer when person they suffer for marriage when they'll say I suffer. If you not suffer, follow your children. Who you want suffer follow? Now she dey maltreat am. Pikin wey you don't know how you take born am. Because that pikin not be your pikin. If you say na your pikin, the one will be your pikin, the one will be your mama, na be your the one will be say you carry for her. You not say the way you take carry that one for your hand, just put am for body once. You not see the way you just say embrace the little pikin, the little baby, you put her for body. To show say yes, the feeling of a mother. And if that one, say that woman see there, then I say go see embrace the little baby, you go see put her for body. I beg, what if they not go do you, not do person? What if you know say yes, this thing go pay you rich blood? My sister not do person, my brother not do person. Because if you do person, it go see pain for body. You understand? It go say pain. And when I see this video, I shed tears. I was like, the baby because they follow you, they strong go whether you go live on for where na so you carry on. Be like that time when be say my dad they carry people go they work for our farm. You go carry all those people. They'll say yeah, today na Gary want your roots. They go root the Gary. So go they use head stay they carry and they go as all those job go they use head say they carry and go as if they reach engine where they for the ground. They go all use the Gary na ground the bag when they put for head because they don't tire. They go use an ground boom. The bag will make crack. The bag will make crack. Because our own for that our own that time na to they wash for engine. Will they wash? If we just say you make cry, we no need to go dey lose the bag because that bag don't be wasted. We go just dey pack the garri the entire base in the wash like that. Now so you take carry the baby just feel hit ground because he not get one, I not get one ask you. Even if your papa come and see mark for body, and say honey, what to do this baby for my answer now? Because say go see your face for eye like this. Fear not go let her tell papa say na she beat me oh. No, but God will disgrace you. Now that person will video and call video you way. With the car where you dey carry the waka, you say na car be that one. Car where be say my grandmother not go fit drive. When my grandmother not go fit drive, drag her come out. Mo kill her, mo kill her, mo kill her, mo kill her. Mo kill her, mo kill her. My sister, may I tell you one thing? This life of 18, every result where you, everything where you sow, you go reap am for front. If it be say that baby, when that little mama where you dey see so, that little girl where you dey see so, maybe tomorrow, now I go be your helper. You don't know. How when you take carry your pikin, use a carry another person. You hear? How when you take carry your pikin, use a carry another person. I not to blame you. Now the mama when you born and when you leave and come up for marriage, say suffer walk kill him. When not let her and stay looky pikin. When not let her and stay looky pikin. When be say you won't kill her, so that after you don't kill her, you say he's sick. He's sick malaria. He's sick fever. Now so we rush her. No, he say you don't break one of his ribs. Because that baby where you carry ten nagra, wish na mature woman you dey follow the fight like that. You carry a nagra, who not can follow you. Hey, ooh, you don't be this woman, you don't do like this, but you all not be like that. Mom, we never reach 12 years. Pikin we never reach 12 years. Pikin we never reach 12 years. That your pikin go so grow come, you hear? You not go holiday, you not go stay with another person. Just let her dey with you. Let her dey with you. Look that baby, look that mama, be like, who know they even they eat. Because the way you take off, if your papa come and maybe the man or person will still get ash on you, he go say, what he do you for her like this? He go say, answer now, not be rough play when they play. You go still lie, join the beat when you beat her. He go say, I beg you, na rough play when they play. Since morning I never seen and send message you. Now so wrong in the wrong. When the girl walk out talk, you bad. What you will do? This small girl go just he go maintain because he don't see your eye for up. My sister, my brother, may we dey use our konuchi because tomorrow get belle. We don't know the day when they won't born her. We don't know the day when they won't born her. When I see this video since I wish you be person when I know. I'll for fair call you. If I call you, I'll fair tell you one word. The word when I will tell you, after I don't call you, I don't tell you finish. I will cut my call. You hear what I tell you? Because I'm not sure say now the way you take born your own, neither woman take born you. But me not sure say if now so you take still born your own way you dey do another person pikin like that, madam, not worry. Not worry. You're all the way for you for front. Tomorrow get belle, you hear? As you take use and take hit grand big. Unless that your baby just dey with you, he just dey with you till he go grow this one. Can't grow, can't become gay. He go just dey with you. And anywhere they go, if you don't ask school, they go follow and go. Carry your bag, follow and go. See how you short like Motel's bottle. You say now that small pikin you want follow beat. If mama, if waiting that they call and say one woman say maybe person you and person sit down now so now they fight or now they throw blow, you not go fit carry the person come off for ground say hit ground like that. Because you see because you know they give her food. If you they give her food before you go raise and go up, your hand go come down. You know they give her food as you already done. It be like ordinary paper. Be like all those paper school board who they carry go school. That's all those board where they put for back. That they call as cement. Now so it can't be me leg because you know they eat. I only gonna know whether you don't give her food since morning eat. The pikin can be say they drag me follow you. They drag now so they do. Go to say they drag me follow you whole ground. Enough it. I promise you, in the next 5 years to come, or next 8 years to come, that pikin, he go they follow you the whole ground. Because You not deserve to be a stepmother. You don't deserve her at all. You not deserve her. You not deserve her to be a stepmother, because if na me born that baby, if na me born that baby, they share this video reach where I did. I'll come meet you. As if you take carry my pikin take hit ground, you will carry me see take hit ground. Because I know you know wetin I wan just tell you. Go dey thank your gods. And na that mother when you can't leave the pikin for you, say make you dey train. May you can't leave the pikin for you, make you dey train. Madam, well, in fact, your own dey your body. Yeah, wetin I tell you all day. Even the one lady, cause he come out, they tell you, no, leave her. You see, they beg you, leave her, leave her. You say no, your hair not go see. Talk less or say go agree. Your hair not go see. Talk less or say go agree. It good. Anybody will say person you say a person you not go good. You not go still good. You hear what I tell you? If you say person you not go good, your own not go good. Anybody will say my water not go boil. Not be so they make the parable. My water not go boil. You not go rufu kukuma hot. Talk less or say you not go rufu see fire at Satan. You hear? I beg. How will you take carry your own? And they say they pray. Africa, mona get justice for children. Mona make sure say yes. He get one lady when he beat one girl, one set it time, he beat her, and that's what mark for body. He called when human rights hold on, now so they beg. If they beg. I just pray, may they come to the rescue of that little girl, because if they feel come to the rescue of that little girl, may they make sure say they do you. May they make sure say they do you to the extent say you yourself, you go say, I don't know say that they video me that day because you and you not deserve a stepmother. Wicked stepmother now you be wicked one. But if you dare say, they'll say, this baby, now you they say, we not me, you know say, you will talk every what you know the far bad for her, you go say you don't bad for her. You go say, person like you, wait till you never have bad for her, you go say you don't bad for her. Because as that baby, you did this so. That little girl, you did it. Who see and say, go no say, maybe now once they eat in a day for that your house. But you go like make you give farm food. Say, feed my baby for morning, feed them for afternoon, feed them for evening. Maybe if that little girl by mistake put some more for mouth, maybe you die your baby, you open you go see concan journal bloom. You go see give her for forehead. Say, I beg. I use God beg. The mama now they beg. Go carry your pikin before I kill her for you. Even though say you don't want marry, okay, go carry your pikin. Try your pikin by yourself. Even though say you don't want marry. I dey talk am. As that my son your cute rich so. As that my son your cute rich so. If as I your sit down so. Say I call your year and say na so one person your concan. If I go your na me go rufu carry am. Say mo yamo we dey go as far say na woman like me. So this message now to that woman when you born that lady. Anywhere you foresee this video, go carry your little girl, make you the trainer by yourself. They use a me parable for our side. For if you know the Yoruba, go find who will interpret for you. They say, "Ario jao yerakbo." You hear that? That they suffer. You go suffer to train your children so that if they grow, come out. Because they know say you not get. If they grow, come they say, this my mommy, he don't try for me. Anything where they get, before they go spend that, they go remember the mother because the mother did there for them. Tomorrow, rich now that girl become one senator wife, or one governor wife, or one president wife. Tomorrow, rich now you say now you go fair come and you say now me train am o, now me make am become like that o. But now he luck 90 rich like that because. You not give am better. The shirt where you wear self to rufu show. Say the shirt where you wear self, my dear. I beg you born your own. Another person born your own. Now the same body where you take born your own, it's take born your own. Now my message be that for you. If I wish I know if that girl mama, I wish I know her. Direct as I dey do this video finish, I'll fair post and go give her. I'll fair post and go give her before I go rufu share her. If on a do fin on person like you, if you all go church, that those big gegele, drive that your paka motor reach church, fini park, fini, you say you carry my bag for boot come. Carry my bag for here come. carry my baby go children side, go sit down. If they cry, go give am food. If they do this one, go do this one. The pikin no go get rest of me. E no go get rest of me. See baby when pikin when they follow you, they stay. See your mama when they follow you, they stay. Small girl when they follow you, they stay. It be like tata. It be like tata. If your papa come back for work now, maybe go your go meet your papa. Your man go your make boom. Now the word go tell papa. If you just see papa, maybe you just see papa, you want your talk, you go say, yeah, go bring water come. Make it not fit talk. My message to you, God will if he give you water drink, he go see give that baby water drink. But I pray, make him mama see this video, make he go carry it. A baby made a trainer by himself, because if you don't suffer, follow your pikin, another person suffer, follow, and tomorrow reach, you know, say, na so you stand for a man. Because they beat her now, even the video don't go viral, they beat her now. When I come across this video, I really shed tears. They beat her now, you've done one place. Just they enjoy your life. Say, I beg, I don't leave her for a papa. Not be one person they bought pikin. Yes, not be one person they bought pikin. Not be one person they bought pikin. You first stay there, suffer with that man. Then say you come out. Another person called they tray your pikin. It's better you just suffer. That one come say he won't come stay. Say he won't come marry. You go see stay. If you not feel let her marry, go come out for you. That say you can't come out for a may tray your pikin. My sister, you not work like that. You know, see you go live in you. May you spoil more another person you good. You know they. I beg, go carry your pikin. Go carry your mama, may not go kill her for you. Wicked stepmother may not go kill her for you. Tomorrow rich night go say na so he sick malaria, he sick fever. The rush and go this hospital, the rush and go that hospital. He not survive. May enemy not call die because of all those bitty. As he use that baby take wipe grana, that baby feed don't get one kind pain when nobody go know, because that kind baby now they not go like make the can go treat. They not go like make the can go hospital. They go buy medicine for pharmacy. They will give them. If they don't give them drink finish, they'll say they don't give them. That one now, if body they pain, I not go talk. Make the wicked woman not cost the beat and journal. Tomorrow rich go see put a bucket for here. Yeah, go fetch water come. Go buy something come for market. Go do this one. You not go remember say you use that baby till hit ground again. So I beg, go carry your pikin. Go carry your pikin. And now when be stepmother, one go they do children back, as if una not born. As if una not born. People they way they look for that children. People they way they look for that baby. People they way they look for that pikin. For how many years? They say, God, if not only one you feel give me, but you will get her. You will say you want use her, another person using her, excuse her for you. My sister, go carry your pikin o, because the plan where that woman get may for kill her, may you for be senior. Now be the plan where he get for that baby. But God not green. Now make this video go viral. God not green. As he go take kill her, may you be first. May you be first. Maybe say no only one ball for the ass. Now that one they fine. Go carry your pikin before I kill her for you, eh? Now my message be that one o. So I don't drop my own. So hi guys, I want to go, so I want to leave you guys. If you know you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that button, and don't forget to thumbs up for me. And one thing again, if you are new to my channel, always come to check, because I always drop something there. So I will drop this video again for you to watch it to the end. I will drop the video for you. You will watch the video till the end. I love you guys. Stay tuned till I come your way again. Ciao for now.
Now what you do? can see how this woman is beating this little kid. This is very unfair. This woman is very wicked. Look at what she's doing to that little kid. You can see her face. You can see her very well. She lives around this. I know where she lives. She's still beating her. She's still beating her. She will kill this girl. She's not even tired of beating the girl. She's hungry to beat the girl more. That little kid, but 3 years old or so. This is really child abuse. What a wicked woman.